and Bitcoin. Off the top of the three, we've got the A, B, C for a W, X, A, B. I'm looking for the rest of this C of Y of 4 down. If you look at Bill Adlard's count that he posted over the weekend in the forum, and thank you, nice to see you back in the forum again, Bill, our accounts are completely aligned now. He's given his path for the rest of this move down in Bitcoin potentially. I haven't done so yet. I'm really looking for the confirmation of the first initial move down being complete. For some reason this chart doesn't want to, there we go. So off the B wave high, which hit exactly where we wanted it to, I still think this is another 4 and we get a final 5th down before we start to get the 2 back. Once I've seen that, I'll give you target regions for the 2 back, then the 3, 4, 5 to lower, and that should allow us to target or tighten up the targets for completion of all of the 4. But thus far, I think we've got a 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for this 3. This was the 4, and we should still make a further low before we start to come back up higher in Bitcoin next. Okay, that's it for me for tonight. My apologies to you guys in the Europe and the UK. No FTSE or DAX charts early morning this week, nor the early morning currency charts. But everything will be in the room as we move along. The recording in the room this morning failed for some reason. I will ensure that it doesn't do so tomorrow and cover the updates for FTSE, DAX and currencies during that morning update video, which you can then watch on the site for the following 24 hours.